Okay, so this is the wind diffuser. As you can see, it's got holes here. So what I did is I put this up here on the edge of the light bar, and you can see the little dots I put here. You'll notice this one's are on top of this, so I'll have to loosen that and move this piece out of the way. Here and here, and there's one down here. And what I did is I took a silver Sharpie to mark those. I use the clamp here to position it where I want it. Use a silver Sharpie to mark it. I'm going to use the drill with a 1/8 bit to drill down. And this all kit comes with rivets, pop rivets. So that's what you're drilling for. Put those in there, and I ran over to AutoZone and got this pop rivet gun. It's like, I think, 17 bucks. So anyway, just kind of want to show this to you guys and explain it to you. We're going to put it on, see how it works, and if it works good, we'll just use it and not bother with the arrow lids anymore. So stay tuned. All right, so we got it all done. There's the pop rivets. All right, now for the real world test. Now I will be honest, I didn't have before and afters, so you'll just have to take my word for it. So actually, it wasn't too bad of an install. I had little issues and rivets there at first just because of my inexperience with them. But if you use them before, you shouldn't have any issues. Oh, well, there we go. That's better focused. As you can see. Like I said, feel free to criticize. Like I said, it's the first time I ever used one of these things, so I don't claim to be an expert. There we go. So I will tell you at first, my first impression is that the soft top roof flaps a lot. So it didn't help that. But as far as just the overall wind noise, I can tell an improvement. I won't say it's a vast improvement, but it's definitely an improvement. So all else I know to do at this point, I love doing this, by the way, because it gives me a chance to do some R&D for you guys, so you guys don't have to go through all this trial and error that I'm going through. But I think maybe I'll get some brackets that mount down lower, see if that helps with the soft top, because that's ultimately the most of the noise that's coming down is soft top. If you had a hard top, I think this would be a great addition, because keep in mind we do have a lot of high winds right now in Chicago, just between the storm systems, and I can see the trees blowing back and forth as I'm driving. So just know that, disclaimer on that part. I can hear some wind noise still. It doesn't eliminate totally. So I don't know, I guess we'll try the brackets and see how that works. If you have any ideas yourself, please leave comments and thoughts below. I'd be happy to take any advice or pointers that you guys may have, maybe I haven't thought of. But keep this show going.